Hello and welcome to this module on creating list in our HTML documents. We are going to continue building out our content inside our HTML documents by working with list of contents. We will start by understanding the different types of list. List types, I have three core types of lists that we can build, and they have different purposes. Then we will see the basic fundamentals of building out these lists and defining the different elements that go within them. And importantly, at the end, I'm going to show you how lists are used in modern applications development and modern web pages. What we will show you at the beginning is going to look very different from what we will see at the end. But in the end, you should be able to recognize where list makes sense in an HTML page. As I mentioned, there are three types of lists in HTML. The first is an unordered list, and this is a series of items, essentially content, tags, store links, or button event that you want to identify as belonging to a group together and being in a list, and they don't have a particular order associated with them. Compare that with an ordered list, very similar in concept, but here we do care about the order of the items as they appear in the list, and these are really semantic details for us, but they also impact the way that these lists are typically rendered by default in a browser. And finally, we have a definition list, and this one is a little bit different, where the first two each have a series of items. This really has a list of pairs of items, both the definition term and the actual definition of that term. So this one stand out as a little bit different. Let's look at it as an example of creating some of these basic lists in our Nescafe Coffee website.